Holy shit. What's up, guys? If you haven't been watching the news, we are in the middle of a nor'easter. We didn't go to work today. It is freaking, this is one of the main reasons why I say I hate the cold. It's insane outside. We spent the majority of the day trying to keep up with the shoveling, but unfortunately we failed. We have a plow guy actually coming to plow the driveway from Salem, New Hampshire. But you gotta check out what it looks like outside right now.
You got the keys?
So, it is insane. You can't quite see it, but when we get outside, I'll show you. It is brutal. Yeah, this is a better one. Look at this.
Wait.
What the? In my pocket, yeah.
Alright.
80-mile-an-hour winds. It's going to be about 15 feet of snow. So we gotta get out there, get those cars out of their parking spaces, figure out how we're gonna do this. I'm taking the Expedition. Kim is taking the Escape. We're going to be driving around the block, hopefully not getting stuck. They're a little ways out, so we're gonna clean the cars off, get them out of their spaces. But yeah, you guys can come along and check this out. I'm stuck. I'm fucking stuck. Kim is dressed like Bigfoot.
Look at this.
The snow is up to my knee. Up to my fucking knee. Let me just show you guys what it looks like as far as getting out. It's up to the top of the front bumper. We have to get down my driveway, which is about, I want to say 15 feet, 20 feet, 30 feet, which is a long distance. Oh, Kim busted her ass. You weren't paying attention. That's what happens when you're not paying attention. Holy smokes. Alright, so we just finished just shoveling the pathway into the house because we have a few packages coming in. It's not necessarily cold, it's just kind of, it's like windy and there's just a ton of snow. Kim's
Can't
phone,
get my phone to work.
Just died from shoveling, which I don't want to toot my own horn, but I kind of warned her against it. But
you told me to bring it.
I want to break up. So right now we are still in front of our house, in our driveway. We haven't gotten any confirmation of when the snow plow guys are supposed to come, but hopefully they're gonna come in a few minutes because sitting in this snowsuit is killing me.
Me too.
And I didn't think it was gonna be this warm. Okay, so hold on a second. You want to tell them what happened?
Yep. So I assumed this plow guy that was going back and forth near our house was our plow guy. But Miss was incorrect.
So that plow guy.
I made you stay outside.
That plow guy over there. Let me see if I can get focus on. Well, I fucked that up. So that plow guy over there.
Yeah, I'm not perfect.
Right. So we just went out there.
It was fun.
It was not fun. She had a good time.
I did.
And she doesn't realize that she enjoys snow, but I do not. Oh, is that him?
No.
Nope. Okay. She doesn't realize that I do not enjoy snow. I do not enjoy the cold. I don't enjoy any of this. So intermittently, intermittently, she'll be like, I think that snowplow is the one that we called. And, you know, she'll make it like the most convincing thing that she's ever come up with. Like, I swear to God, it's them. It has to be.
It's him, it's him. Hold on. Nope. Okay.
See how confident she was just then? But every single one turns out not to be the one that we called for, so we end up driving halfway down the driveway in 80 feet of snow with polar bears at the end just waiting like, oh, come closer. I gotta talk to you. I got a package of Coca-Cola to give you. And it's just, this is one of the main reasons why I made that video saying what we're gonna be accomplishing for 2018. We need a garage. I have a snowblower, but it's in that little shed.
You can't get to.
And you can't get to it. And the right side blades don't work anymore because we popped a pin, I think. She's having the time of her life.
Welcome to New England.
Yeah. So this is what it's like to be a car vlogger in New England. But I get to test out the Ford's 4-high. Oh, come on, focus, you piece of shit. 4-high setting and see how we can get out of this mess and get the driveway plowed enough to where we can go to work tomorrow at mother in 11 o'clock.
11 to 1, 2 hours.
2 hours of work.
It's kind of a waste though, but
yeah, well,
at least we'll get paid.
we get paid. But
Full day pay for 2 hours.
we're gonna keep a lookout. Hopefully this guy shows up soon. So it's 7:28. We have to be at work tomorrow morning. And we are stuck in our own driveway, unable to plow through to get to the end. So this is going to be an interesting night. It's already late. I haven't done my daily nap like I'm used to doing. And so I'm going to be up for a long time waiting for this guy to come because I have to get that truck out of the driveway. And hopefully you can plow up the driveway, get rid of everything, and the snow can subside a little bit, and we can go to work tomorrow morning. Because at this point I am at a grind mode. I cannot take any days off. No days off, because this summer or spring, right, most definitely we have to get a car for this channel, and we're not working Friday. So Fridays. So, you know, it's just a matter of just penny pitching and saving just a tiny bit more until this summer. Hopefully you guys stick with us, and we'll jump back into the vlog as soon as they get here. All right. So we just got the phone call. They are on their way. Oh, whoo, holy shit. Okay, so they finally got here. They got lost. So no big deal. Guys were pretty awesome. The guys that are actually doing this. So what I'm gonna attempt to do is basically drive the Expedition over this. So that's gonna be tough.
What is he doing?
We're gonna drive out. Follow me. They're gonna push.
I can't get out because it's so deep.
Huh?
What if I can't get out?
You just go on my tracks.
All right, go ahead.
All right.
All right, I'm ready.
Let's hope to God that this idea works. I'm fucking nervous. I could slide into the escape. A number of things could happen. So, all right, let's just see. I don't know anymore. All right, let's do this. Get the seatbelt on. Holy shit. Holy shit. Dude, this is fucking moving through it. That's fucking crazy. Holy, too easy. That was so easy. That was so fucking easy. All right, let's see if fucking Kim can get through there. I'm gonna temporarily park right here in front of my neighbor's house. Hopefully she can get out. It looks like she's trying, but she's not. It's not working. Let me go check on her real quick. Oh shit! Get back in the fucking! Oh god damn! It caught me! It fucking caught me! Oh shit! Holy fuck! Ah. Oh! Holy crap! Oh! Holy shit! Okay, so Kim made it out just as a huge fucking amount of snow just hit us. Oh my god. Hold on, this is Kim. Hello?
Am I to go around the block?
Yeah, let's just keep going around the block.
All right.
It's pretty dead. So
Yeah.
how was it? Did you get trapped?
Fucking yeah. I was like, you gotta fucking be kidding me right now.
Did you put it on 4 high?
Huh?
Did you put it on 4 high?
I don't have that. I don't have that on this.
Oh, so your car's a bitch ass?
Well, no, it just wasn't working well.
Oh, okay. That's because, you know, I thought it was. No big deal.
Shut up, bye.
Bye. Look at this. So Kim already left and is just basically racing around the block. Look how crazy this looks. This is insane. Look at this. Look at this shit. Hold on, let me call her before she fucking crashes into a ditch and... Oh, there she is.
I can't see to save my life.
Holy shit. Hey, you want to slow it down a little bit, Mario Andretti?
Sorry, I can't see. It's a whiteout.
Right, I know, but just drive a little slower if you can't see.
Okay.
All right, pace yourself a little bit.
Go in front.
All right, you want to do a hot lap?
Okay.
All right, you know what that is. Huh?
Did you pay them?
Oh shit, no. Oh shit. Oh, she got fucking reamed with snow. All right, let's go around the block. God, still pay these guys. I didn't even fucking pay them yet. This is bad. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time that you are watching this. We survived the night. Look at all this snow. Look at this. Fucking god dang it. Everything is everywhere. Holy crap. Okay, so last night we got up to, I want to say 15 to 16 inches of snow. And Kim and I had to basically drive around the block as our driveway was getting plowed. And I have to say, I was never a truck guy. I hate trucks. I'm not gonna say I hate trucks, but I'm not a huge fan. I'm not crazy about them like, you know, most truck guys are. But I get now why, you know, people have so much love for SUVs and trucks. This thing got out of its way. on several occasions. I did not get stuck in the snow like some people did.
I did.
But it was just incredible. Like, there was no sliding. Coming from somebody that slides a lot, you know, I have a huge background in crashing cars into guardrails. This was just sturdy. It was dependable. I wasn't at all scared. The confidence, I get why people just kind of race on the highway going 85 miles an hour. This thing was incredible. So reliable at all points of the night. I was waiting for the check engine to come on and me to just kind of fly off the handle and just maybe wrap it around the tree and just forget about it. But it was just so solid on the roads. Kim had issues with the Ford Escape. It was sliding everywhere. She couldn't, you know, once I got ahead of her, it was kind of hard to keep up with the Expedition. So glad that we invested in getting this vehicle. I know a lot of people say, like, you know, buying a vehicle is probably the worst investment that you can make financially, but life-wise and life-wise, it's just a really good, solid investment. It just makes everything so much easier, so much more worthwhile. The stressors that people have to deal with getting their cars out of, we didn't even have to clean the Expedition off.
No, I don't think so. Wait, just by the windshield wipers. Other than that, no.
This thing was clean this morning. Nothing on it. It looks like we just went through a car wash. I am amazed. But I'm only speaking on behalf of the 2016s. I don't know about the 2017s on or before that, but I'm definitely sold. And yeah, that's my little review. I'm not a huge car review kind of guy. I'm just more of a drive like an asshole when no one's looking kind of person. So I think I'm just gonna stick with that. I'm not going to be reviewing cars. So if you like this video, leave a like. If you're watching this for the first time, consider subscribing. You know, it definitely will help me in the long run. Also, just be sure to hit that notification button to know when the most recent videos are out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later.